The Pixel 10 lineup is already making waves and we've got some juicy leaks. Google's upcoming flagships have code names giving us a glimpse of what's to come. Pixel 10, that's Frankel. Pixel 10 Pro, that's Blazer. But wait, there's also a Pixel 10 Pro XL called Mustang and a foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold named Rango. Seems like Google's all about horsepower this year. Just like the Pixel 9 series, Google is sticking to a 4-device lineup. But here's the kicker. No standard Pixel 10 XL. That means no budget-friendly big screen flagship, which might disappoint fans who wanted a more affordable large display. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is still in development, but expect all the flagship bells and whistles. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9a is confirmed and will likely launch at Google I/O 2025 in May. Don't get too hyped yet. The Pixel 10 series won't be official until August 2025. That means plenty of time for more leaks and wild speculation. Rumors suggest the Pixel 10 Pro will keep its horizontal camera module, but a fresh concept video imagines a bold redesign. A vertical, center-aligned camera. Think Sony Xperia but Pixel style. Other wishlist features: Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ultra-thin bezels, a 6.9-inch display with 4000 nits HDR brightness, a 5300 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, and a powerful Tensor G5 ARM chip. Of course, these are just speculations and concept dreams, but hey, Google could surprise us. What do you want to see in the Pixel 10 Pro XL? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The Pixel 10 lineup is shaping up to be big, but we'll have to wait for summer 2025 to see what Google really delivers. Hit that like button if you're excited, and subscribe for more updates.